Hello, this is Amanda McConnell, and I'm doing my resource walkthrough on MathStart.net. This is a reading curriculum that is, or a reading series, I should say, that is created by Stuart J. Murphy. He and his publisher is HarperCollins, and he has created 63 different books that are divided into three levels with the grades preschool through grade 4. And he has connected them with math concepts and visual learning concepts, and has also put these into free activities for teachers to utilize in the classroom. I have not checked yet to see if they are available in the library, but I know that online they are pretty fairly cheap, like $4.95 and range to about $9.95. So they're not too expensive, but what is really neat is the free activities, and he also has a lot of resources to get families involved and how to include visual learning in the classroom. And he also likes to incorporate music, which I just think is great for the classroom. So anyways, how this works is you can choose which level, and we're going to do level 1. My focus is kindergarten and concept is numbers. So you click on which grade you want, and then I want to focus on numbers. So we're going to go to Everybody Counts. And it gives you the book, and if you scroll down, it will list the activities. It gives you a link if you want to purchase the book if you don't have it. But you can also download the PDF, and it includes all the activities that you can do. So it gives you questions to use in the story. It gives you how they can make their own buddy count, and it also does different things that you can bake and ways that you can incorporate hands-on activities. So, and then it also just lists right here. Now, of course, this is in DC, so it's not our standard, but it is connected to standards. The standard that this would be connected to was just, it's focusing on counting in the story. So for Nebraska, it would be performing the counting sequence by counting forward from any given number to 100 by ones. And then also could also be in some other ones like demonstrate the relationship between whole numbers, knowing each sequential number name refers to a quantity that one is larger. So, oops. Like I said, there's just a range of all different kinds. This is just the one that they used. But what I also liked about this, I didn't go into specifics about this story, but it also kind of included social skills. It talks about how they weren't feeling very good, and sometimes like you might need people to count to feel better. And when a little girl wakes up one morning feeling crummy and yucky, very sad, she cheers herself up by counting. All her friends need to count. And the student I'm specifically thinking about using this with, he needs to count to calm down. So I just thought that's really neat to tie in math, reading, social skills, all of that into one story. So I actually am going to go look for this book. I have a feeling it's probably not in the library, so I think I'm just going to go on Amazon and purchase it, and then read this to my student and try the sequence or gathering all the things you need to bake a treat or do some sort of snack activity and count that way. Just more of a hands-on activity. So thank you.